On number 17, it just says solve triangle ABC. So it doesn't tell us specifically what we need to know. So it means we need to know everything. So in triangle ABC, there are 6 measurements. There's 3 angles and 3 sides. We're given 3 of them. So when it says solve triangle ABC, there are 3 unknowns that we need to find. We need to find side B, we need to find side A, and we need to find angle A. Angle A is the easiest because I know 2 of the angles of the triangle. So to find the third one, I just need to add the 2 that I know, the 85 and the 38. So 85 and 38 add to be 123, and subtract that from 180 since all 3 angles of a triangle add up to be 180. So we get angle A is 57 degrees. So that's my first answer. The measure of angle A is equal to 57. Don't forget your degree symbol on your angle measures. Okay, so now we know this is 57 degrees. Now we need to find angle A and side A and side B. Remember, you always want to use law of sines if you can, but that requires that you know an opposite angle and side pair. So I don't know the side A, so there's not an angle, an opposite angle and side pair for the A's. We also don't know side B. But since we know angle C and side C, there's an opposite angle and side pair. So we can use law of sines. We're going to be using the C's for both of our ratios. So we're going to use the C's when we're trying to find the B's. And then again, we're going to use the C's when we're trying to find our A. So these are how we're going to set up our 2 ratios. So let's find B first. So we'll put in angle C, which is 38 degrees, over side C, which is our 6, equals sine of angle B, which angle B is 85, over side B, which we don't know. So this is our unknown, side B. So we're going to cross multiply. Remember to put that B in front as a coefficient and the 6 in front as a coefficient of the sine of 85. So to solve for B, we just need to undo the multiplication between it and sine of 38 by dividing both sides by sine of 38. So my B value is simply equal to 6 sine of 85 divided by sine of 38. So 6 sine of 85, close the parentheses on the 85, divided by sine of 38. And again, you don't have to close that parentheses, but my OCD just forces me to. Can't help it. All right, so we have our B value at approximately 9.7, since next door there's a 0. So that will just be 9.7. So B is approximately 9.7. Now we can find A using the sine of C over C equals sine of A over A. So again, angle C is 38 degrees. Side C is across at 6 equals sine of angle A, which we found to be 57 degrees, over side A, which we're trying to find. So when we cross multiply, we get A sine of 38 equals 6 sine of 57. And we undo the multiplication, dividing by sine of 38 on both sides. So our A is equal to 6 sine of 57 divided by, and don't forget to close that parentheses, divided by sine of 38. So rounding to the nearest tenth, there's a 1 there, but next door is a 7. So since that's 5 or bigger, we add 1 more, so that's 8.2. So A is approximately 8.2. So solving the triangle required 3 answers: the measure of angle A, side B, and side A.